Hello children, good morning. How are you? Hope all are enjoying the days, isn't it? Okay, very good. You can enjoy and you have to do the homeworks also, isn't it? But children, please stay at home, stay inside your house and you have to obey your parents. Eat well and stay healthy. So, in my previous class, we have completed your chapter 1, that is about the family. No, myself and my family. Hope you all have written in your notebook. Okay, those who have not written, please write in your notebook. The exercises I have already shown you through this video, so you have to complete. So today we'll see the chapter 2, about my school and friends. My school and friends. So in my last video I have shown you this blanks to fill up. Children, did you do? Okay, if you have not done, then please note down this is. You have to note down in your notebook, ED notebook. So how you have to write? I study in New Life English Medium School. You have to write the name of your school. Okay, first line. Second line, it is in where? You have to give the address. Means it is in Bisam Cuttack under Raigada district. Only you can write Bisam Cuttack also, no problem. Next, number third line, it is a dash school, big or small. This is not so big, so you can write it is a small school. Okay children, so now let us will read the lesson. So children, please listen carefully because you don't have book, so you can repeat after me or you can listen carefully. I learn many things in my school. You are telling, okay, I means each and every student you have to say that I study in New Life English Medium School means each and every student you are telling that I. Okay, so I means each and every student. You are telling that I learn many things in my school. Next, I learn to read, write, color, draw and good manners. What do you learn from the school? I learn to read, write, color, draw and good manners. Next, I also learn to help my friends. What do you learn again? That I learn to help my friends. Next, my school has many windows. And what is the work of windows? They allow sunlight and air come into our classrooms. Children, in every class you have seen, isn't it, that many windows are there, and the work of windows is to allow sunlight and air come into our classroom. So what happened? We can get easily sunlight and air through the windows. Next, it has a playground, means my school has a playground. There are many plants and trees in my school. There are many plants and trees in my school. Next, I love my school very much. I love my school very much. I have many friends in my class. So children, you should have many friends, no, in your class. I think you have already got your friends, isn't it? And among them, one should be the best friend, no? So here, the child is telling that Anjum is my best friend. So children, you have also your best friend, no? Okay, so here in this lesson, the child is telling that Anjum is my best friend. I love him. I love him. I have some other friends also, means except my best friend, there are so many friends. Other friends are also is there, no? Next, my puppy, Bujo. My puppy name is Bujo. Goes with me everywhere, means wherever I go, my puppy also used to come with me, no? Next, the neem tree is also my best friend. It is written. The neem tree is also my friend, means I have many friends in my class. In the same way, if I go out, if we see the environment, plants are our best friend, green friend, no? So among the plants, the neem tree is also my friend, it is written. And my grandmother calls it gift of God. So the child is telling that his grandmother called neem tree as the gift of God. Gift of God means why it is known as, or why it is called gift of God? Because neem trees give us medicines. Okay, this trees is very useful for human being. Okay, for the people. Okay, it cures many diseases from human body. So it is known as the gift of God. And it protects the life of people. Next, in summers, we put swings on the tree, eat its bittersweet fruits, and enjoy climbing on it. And in summer season, what happen? We put swings, means jhula, no, on the tree, means on the neem tree, and we eat its bittersweet fruits, means what is it written here? It is bittersweet, means bitter means not so sweet. Again it is telling sweet, means the mixture of bitter and sweet. Kadwa, no, and swadisht also, means mixture of bitter and sweet fruit. Okay, we enjoy and we climb on it, it is written, and enjoy climbing on it. So in this way, what happen? You enjoy the school, no? You enjoy in the school. The child is telling about himself, and here you have to think about yourself, that you are telling all these things. Okay, I means you have to present yourself here, each and every student. Okay, that you are telling. Okay, next, children, do you know even air and sunlight are our friends, it is written. So without air we cannot survive, no. So sunlight also, without sunlight human being or life is not possible. So children, it is our duty to take care of the air, no, sunlight. We should not pollute them, isn't it? So children, be careful, okay? So this is the lesson about your school and about the friends. Children, when you will get your textbook, you read thoroughly, okay? You can see like this. Once again I am showing. Okay. So next page we'll see some exercises. Children, in next class I will give you the question answers. Children, can you see here new words? What are the new words you came to know in this lesson? That is manners, bittersweet, allow. 3 words you learned. So you have to write these words and their meaning in your notebook, okay? So manners means behavior or attitude, you can write. Behavior spelling BEHAVIOUR, or attitude means same thing, ATTITUDE, attitude, okay? Next, bittersweet means the mixture of the taste of neem fruit, no, okay? Bittersweet means not so bitter, not so sweet, the mixture of taste, bitter and sweet taste, okay, which we get from neem fruits, okay? So simple way you will write here to understand, to remind, to know about it, okay? You can write taste of neem fruit, just you write, okay? Next, allow means let someone to do something, okay? Let, L-E-T, let someone to do something, SOMETHING, do something, okay? Next, children, fun time will see. What useful things does the neem tree give us? What are the things neem tree give us? Children, we know we get so many things from the tree, no? First of all, we say wood, we get wood, no? That is all trees give us, but neem tree is very special for us. Why? Let us will see. You have to write only 3, there are so many, but you can write 4, 5, 6 points, okay? No problem, you ask your parents and write, okay? Miss has written 3, see here. Neem stick is used to brush our teeth. Neem stick is used to brush our teeth. Next, number B, leaves of neem tree are used to make soap. So children, you should use the neem soap, which we say that is Margo soap, no? That is very good for our skin. Next one is neem oil is used. Neem oil is used for skin disease. So neem tree is used for skin disease. Okay, children. So in this way you can write. You can write more than 3 points. You can write 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, no problem. Ask your parents. So for today it is enough. Next video I will show you the question answer and other exercises. Thank you.